Cetrisan.
So, a good thing to know is humans. So we are humans. So the word for humans is ljudi.
Ljudi.
Bravo. So ljudi.
Ljudi.
So a really cool way to say is ljudi moji, my humans, my fellow man, ljudi.
Ljudi.
The word for body, Tony, is tijelo.
Tijelo.
Okay, ponovi opet. Tijelo.
Tijelo.
So the body is tijelo.
Tijelo.
So now how to say the human body, right? So we're going to say ljudsko tijelo.
Ljudsko tijelo.
That's that magical LJ in there, right? So LJ is in ljubav, in ljudi, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ljudsko tijelo.
Ljudsko tijelo.
Bravo. Okay, let's start from the top. We have our cranium, where the brain's located, the head.
It's usually where I keep it.
Yes. We're wearing, some of us are wearing hats today. We got our earphones, headphones on top of ours. Yeah. The word for head is glava.
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 Oh, glava.
Right. So what I teach you not too long ago, žaba glava.
Žaba glava.
Turtle head.
Yeah.
A rhymer. Glava.
Glava.
Bravo. The word for head is glava.
Glava.
Bravo. Okay, moving down a little bit, the chest, right? So the chest on the front side is the prsa,
Prsa.
right? Prsa is your chest.
Prsa.
Bravo. On the back side, your back, your lats, all that good stuff. It's one of the stronger muscles in your body, leđa.
Leđa.
So the back is leđa.
Leđa.
Bravo.
Has that cool D in there.
Yeah, it's a D with the line through it that makes that j sound, that like
Fancy looking.
like jamming it. Leđa.
Leđa jam.
So this one, arm and hand, in Croatian, from what I know and from what I could find, arm and hand are the same, which is interesting. So if someone out there if I'm way off on this one, please email us, let me know, because I could not find the difference. And even as a kid, I'm like, why? How do I know if I'm going to give you my arm or my hand? Like, which one are you asking for? Like, because you'd say, daj mi ruku, give me your hand. That also means give me your arm. But I guess since they're connected, they're not going to really worry about it. So the word for arm and hand is ruka.
Ruka.
So ruka is your hand. So if you have two hands, ruke.
Ruke.
Bravo. So ruka is one.
Ruka.
Ruke is two.
Ruke.
Dve ruke. Two hands. Ruke.
Ruke.
Bravo. All right. Moving down the body, we have the things we stand on.
Shoes.
True. That's how we hide the guys that we're holding down there. So same thing again happened here is leg and foot are basically the same limb, same extension from your body. The leg and the foot is the noga.
Oh, noga met.
Yeah.
Noga met. Hey, there you go. Right? Football. Noga
There
met.
you go. Connections.
I mean, met doesn't mean ball, but anyway, like of the foot, whatever you want to call it. So noga is your foot, is your leg. Noga.
Noga.
Bravo. Noga.
Noga.
And for those of us who are lucky enough to have two legs, you got two dve noge,
Noge.
right? So noga is one,
Noga.
noge is two.
Noge.
Pretty cool, huh, guys?
Very cool.
Let's review all of that. Ready? So humans, we humans, most of us, all of us, ljudi.
Ljudi.
Bravo. The word for body, tijelo.
Tijelo.
So the word for human body is ljudsko tijelo.
Ljudsko tijelo.
Bravo. The word for head, glava.
Glava.
So there, I probably deflect to using a dialect of, I say glava, but it's glava. So if I say it, pronounce it different ways, I'm using dialect there that sometimes I don't correct myself or don't want to correct myself.
Ah.
You know, like poetic license there, right? So glava or glava, depending on what part of the country you come from. So glava is head.
glava,
Bravo. So now we have chest. Prsa.
prsa,
Super. And back is leđa.
leđa,
Leđa.
leđa,
Odlično. The word for arm and hand is ruka. One ruka. Jedna ruka.
ruka,
Bravo. Then we have two. Dve ruke.
ruke,
Super, Tony. Moving on down. The leg and the foot. Singular is noga.
noga,
Odlično. And we have two, most of us, hopefully, two, dve noge.
noge.
Lucky.
Bravo. Dve noge. That's a pretty wonderful human body lesson there, guys.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
And smash that like button.